if you want to go to Paris, it is the right place to be.
Are you happy to be in Paris?
We.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Solo Travel Bae, and I'm back with another video. Guess where your girl is on a solo trip? I am in Paris. Yes, staying at the La Villa de Tennis. I think I'm saying it right, whatever. But I'm staying here as a nice, small, cute hotel for anyone that's interested in coming to Paris and wanting to stay somewhere where it's convenient. The hotel is really nice. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour because this room is super cute and small just for me. Okay, so this is the entrance into the room. I have a nice little desk with some complimentary snacks and stuff and wine. I have a little seating area, which is cool. I could finish up my vlog that you guys are going to see my birthday antics. This is the bed area. Nice and cute, small, just for me. Window outside. So I have a little closet, which is cute. I'm gonna hang my stuff up for the 3 days that I'm here. Nice little full-size mirror. Let's get into the bathroom. Now, the bathroom is really, really nice. I have a nice little tub, toilet, nice little sink. So the room is really a nice, like, decent size for anyone that's, like, traveling by themselves. Hotel is really nice. I decided to take public transportation to come to my hotel. The fare is only like $2 and some change. So trains were like extremely packed, and the trains are really small. They're not as big as like New York trains and stuff. And I was just like, dang, we tight on here. Although I'm from New York and like, of course we take the train all the time and stuff, but like, it wasn't bad. Like, you know, all of the signs and everything was there for you to move around, but there was no one there to assist you when you were like confused, and like everybody's in a rush to like get on a train, so nobody's really stopping. But I'm here, I'm safe, and we about to have a time. A time is gonna be had. All right, guys. So I am at Cafe Marley, about to have dinner, and this view is just so sad. So we first starting off with a Caesar salad. Let me show y'all my salmon. Cafe Marley was amazing. Like, the food was really good. I'm gonna head to the mall and see what I can get, because you already know I had to come on here and go shopping too.
Corners in the paddock, gave my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the sky. Peace. Drop the data, now we plot inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president.
Alright guys, I'm back. I had a day. Today was cool, day one, and so far I'm really liking Paris. I did a little retail therapy. Let me show you guys what I bought. So I bought the Mason Francis perfume. This is the Gentle Fluidity. It smells so good. And I bought a body butter from this guy. You know how you got those people that be like outside of these stores like, come, let me try, let you try this, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, oh God. But when he showed me this, I was like, oh, it smells so nice. It's a luxuriating body butter, and I'll be smelling that good. So I just wanted to remind you guys to make sure that you bring your passport when you're making any purchase on any luxury goods. You want to get the return and taxes, and the only way you're going to be able to do that is if you bring your passport with you when you're making the purchase. They fill out a form. You take the form with you, and always make sure that you have the receipt. When you return to the airport, you're able to claim the taxes and get it back in return. I just finished my makeup. I'm about to get ready to go to dinner at Kalmata. It's a Greek restaurant, so I'm really excited because you know the Greeks be turning up. All right, so the outfit is giving, and it's so annoying, like when you travel by yourself, you don't have nobody to help you button this up. But I think I like it like this. Look cute. These little cute earrings to match. Let's see how it look with my outfit. I really just need one earring. I don't even need two, but I can't even show you guys on this camera. But I have this jumpsuit. It's kind of big, but I bought it from Zara. I was like, oh, this is giving classy. I just love it. Okay. And I'm sorry for my voice, guys. Y'all know I just celebrated my birthday, so I've been like screaming all weekend. But yes, do I need a chain? I don't think I need a chain. I kind of like it like this. Okay. Thank you. Guys, let me tell y'all, last night was vibes, okay? Like, when I tell you they celebrated me last night, oh my god, it was so much fun. I had met these girls from Paris or whatever, and like, you know, they saw I was sitting there by myself, and they came and they was like, oh my god, are you here by yourself? And I'm like, yeah. They're like, no, come sit with me. I went over there and sat with them. It was a whole party. Oh my gosh. If you guys are ever in Paris, make sure that you go to Kalmata restaurant. It's such a vibe. It's so much fun. Greek restaurants are always like turned up like that, so like I wasn't expecting anything less, but like shit was just a fucking vibe. But anyway, we about to get the day started today. I had made reservations for Kith, Sadelle's restaurant, and I'm really, really excited. So, yeah. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing. Bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose when we the ooze? Still running around with more. Get ready, pack to go, yeah. People probably think I show up. Ain't even give it yet. Running up a silly shit. Staying out the internet. Should've stayed with Billy Island. Turning in a given time.
Hey guys, I am back. I went to Les Ombre tonight, and OMG, y'all. That restaurant is 10 out of 10. I had a 5-course meal, and don't even ask me the meals that I had. Honestly, it was some shit I'd never even seen before. I never even ate before, but it was so good. The view of the Eiffel Tower, fire. The staff was amazing. Like, you know, I was telling them that it's my birthday and that's why I'm here or whatever, and oh my god, the lady came and she like took me outside and was like, no, let's go make your wish outside at the Eiffel Tower. So she took me out there, she took pictures of me, and she told me to make a wish, and that basically the Eiffel Tower symbolizes love. If you ever come to Paris and you want to go out to eat to a restaurant where it's nice with a good scenery, I would highly recommend Les Ombre. Right now it is 1:30 in the morning. I am going to Wanderlust, which is a nightclub, and we about to see what these vibes are. It's been real, Paris. Off to the next destination. I see you guys on the next vlog. Later.